how to back up photos with Amazon Photos desktop app. So if you want to back up your photos with Amazon Photos on your desktop app, then first you just need to simply open up your desktop app of Amazon Photos. Once you open it up, now from the backup tab, you just need to select add a folder to backup option. Click on add a folder to backup and then select the folder that you want to back up. Once you've selected, you need to set your preferences for the backup such as recurrence, type of files, etc. And then go with save. Once you tap on save, your photos will be saved or your photos will be backed up to that particular folder which you have just added. Or if you want to transfer the photos and videos, then you just need to simply download the Amazon Photos desktop app on your computer and then install the Amazon Photos and sign into your Amazon account by following the on-screen prompts. And from the backup tab, select the add backup, select the folder that includes the photos you have downloaded from the online storage service provider, select your preferences for the backup, and then tap on save, and you'll be able to save. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.